The material level switch uses a macro motor as a driving device. When the transmission shaft is connected with the clutch, the motor runs normally. When the blade touches the material, the motor stops rotating. When the material falls, the resistance of the blade disappears, and the detection device relies on the torsion spring to restore the original state. The anti-spinning level switch is designed to monitor the level of solid points in silos, containers, and chutes. This level controller reduces overflows, material waste, and downtime by preventing silo overflows, chute clogging, and silo empty loads. The anti-spin level controller is also suitable for plastics, food, chemical iron ore, pellets, and other solid materials.